Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at the Timetec 64GB DDR4 2666MHz memory kit. Specifically, this is the 4x16GB configuration, designed as a desktop upgrade. If you're looking to boost your system's performance without breaking the bank, this kit might be exactly what you need. This Timetec kit runs at 2666 MHz with a PC4-21300 rating. It's a non-ECC unbuffered module, operating at a standard 1.2V with CL19 latency. The dual-rank 2RX8 configuration, based on 1024x8 chips, should offer a good balance of performance and compatibility for most DDR4 desktop systems. Installation is straightforward, as you would expect with any UDIM desktop memory. Just make sure your motherboard supports DDR4 and that you have enough available slots. The kit includes 4 16GB sticks, giving you a total of 64GB of RAM. This is a significant upgrade for anyone running with 8GB or 16GB, and even a decent bump for those with 32GB, especially if you're into gaming, video editing, or other memory-intensive tasks. The 1.2V operating voltage is standard for DDR4, so you shouldn't have any issues with power consumption or heat. The kit is also backed by a lifetime warranty and free technical support from Timetec, which is always reassuring. Now let's talk about performance. While 2666 MHz isn't the fastest DDR4 speed available, it's a solid choice for many systems, and it's often more affordable than higher speed kits. The CL19 latency is fairly standard for this speed range. In real-world use, you should see noticeable improvements in multitasking, application loading times, and overall system responsiveness. This Timetec kit is a great option if you're building a new budget-friendly PC or upgrading an older system. It provides a substantial amount of memory at a reasonable price, and the lifetime warranty gives you peace of mind. Just remember that this kit is specifically designed for desktop computers and won't work in laptops, notebooks, or all-in-one devices.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.